Alright, so this is going to be a pretty real video. I just had a thought of where I was like, okay, you know what? Let me make a raw vlog in the kitchen. Maybe y'all are going to see me in the car. But actual sauce. And I know this is going to help because when I thought like this, my trading improved literally overnight. Because y'all don't understand what real trading is about, and I'm going to tell that to you. Real trading is about adapting, okay? Getting better, learning from your mistakes, and not doing the self-destructive things you know you shouldn't be doing that have caused you to lose all your money, bro. What is up, guys? Hey, bands, we are back. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support recently. We've been kind of growing. We're not really at like 1,000 in the Discord yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there very soon. And yeah, drop a follow. If you don't know who I am, hi. I'm Arbaz. Nice to meet you. Also known as A Bands FX. Anyway, some people are like, "Oh, this shit is corny." Yeah, I hope you guys have been liking the recent YouTube videos for supply and demand, for your trading psychology, for the books, because I am putting a lot of work into them, and I hope they're helping you. Oh, dude, my ass smells so bad, bro. Nice. You need to do this if you keep losing in trading or you keep blowing up funded accounts. Slight little scenario shift. We in the kitchen. I actually gotta go get some meals, so yeah. Oh my god, dude, my head is just You have to change, okay? What do I mean by this? When you do something bad in trading, say you're trying to short an all-time high, right? For example, gold's been just going crazy. Gold is on crack. I don't know if I can say that on YouTube. And it's just been going higher and higher and higher every single day. Every Asian session, you know, we've opened up, we've been bullish, we've just been retracing, going higher and higher and higher. And, you know, people are like, oh my God, like, when is it ever going to end? Like, it has to go down, and gold can't be this high. Who's buying gold at these prices? And believe me, bro, I'm one of those people, right? I'm naturally, mentally, I'm a reversal-based trader, right? Like, I can't, you know, fathom, and I can't think about, like, you know, continuation-based, like, I can, continuation-based setups, like, I can, but like naturally, just the way I think, like I'm reversal based, and a lot of you guys are probably reversal based as well, because naturally it's easier to be like reversal based than continuation based, right? This is why you have to have such a big grasp on the fundamentals and understanding that like when something's making all-time highs, you stay away from that, or you don't short. You wait for a higher time frame confirmation, like a 1 hour or 4 hour confirmation, and you don't short that shit, because I guarantee you it will blow up in your face and you will lose a ton of money and you're gonna be crying, right? Like I see so many people, bro, they're trying to short the all-time high, short, right? And you know, just randomly, and bro, they just keep getting burnt, and they still continue to do that. But somebody might lose so hard, right, that one day they might have put their whole portfolio or like 4% risk on a trade and then got burned trying to short. Now what that's going to do is, for them mentally, they're never going to do that again. And that's the right way to approach things. Like when you know, and let me tell you this as well, through experience, what are some common things you shouldn't be doing? You shouldn't be trying to catch a bottom, trying to catch a falling knife. You shouldn't be trying to catch a rallying top, right? And you can try those things, however, it has to be controlled. Like for example, 1% risk, one trade. 2 trades, 0.5% risk, right? And where am I going with this? I know I'm going on a tangent, but where am I going with this? I'm going with this to tell you guys that if you keep blowing your prop firm challenges, right, because of these bad habits, just stop doing them, bro. Like, if you are in this industry to make money, and you're in this industry to become a better trader, become more professional, become more disciplined, you have to understand that you have to change for the better, because if you keep doing the same exact shit every single time, it's going to lead you nowhere, bro. And that's the unfortunate reality, right? Take it from me, bro. I'm coming on my 3rd year of trading now. I've been burned so many times just trying to do the same exact thing over and over and over again, expecting a different outcome, right? Albert Einstein says that's literally the definition of insanity, bro. I get it. Like, market conditions are always changing, right? Gold, you probably have never been trading long enough to even, you know, deal with these market conditions on gold. And let me tell you something. I haven't been trading this long to be able to deal with these market conditions on gold. Like, you know, 2023, 2024 rally, like, I've never experienced a rally this big in my life. Like, I was trading, you know, much less impulsivity candlesticks in, you know, back even last year, right? More range-based conditions, which were working really well for my system, right? And all of a sudden, this trend happens, this huge impulse, and it's like, shit, like, what do I do now, right? But this is important because it's a learning experience for me, right? If I ever deal with this condition, same with you guys, if you ever deal with these conditions in the future now you know how to deal with them, because you are getting a characteristic intraday feel of how gold is moving, how an asset is moving when it's making a, you know, an all-time high or something, right? A lot of you guys, you trade NASDAQ or, you know, ES, NQ or ES, right? Same principle. You know, I don't know how to trade NQ or ES, but like if NQ is making all-time highs, like, and you've traded that consistently, well, now you get a feel for what it's like trading these all-time highs. And honestly, bro, it's pretty interesting, like seeing how, the market experience actually becomes systemized and mechanized after you gain more and more and more, exposure to it, which is pretty cool in my opinion. But you have to change your destructive habits, guys. And I know it might not be what you want to hear, but it's literally those destructive habits that are putting you 3 steps back, 2 steps back after you might be seeing some improvement. And this is the hard truth. This is the hard pill. You have to be consistent every single day as a day trader, and slowly those small gains will add up over time and compound. And that's the whole point of prop firms and leveraging prop firms in 2024, especially futures prop firms. Like, if you don't understand how they're not designed for you to make like 8% in a day, 4% in a day. Like, if you do, that's great, but they're designed for you to make 1%, 2% on a day, then 2% tomorrow, the next day, 1% the day after that, then another 1%, and over a span of a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you will make money. And all you have to do is you have to yield to time and yield to patience. And the reason you're having these destructive habits and you're blowing your accounts, you're blowing prop firm accounts, is because you're looking for bad setups, trying to make this money fast and quick. And I'm telling you guys, trading is not fast money. It's not quick money. You have to get that through your head, guys. Like, yes, I had great, huge days. I've made $44,000 days, $55,000 days, and those were great. But those are not going to happen every single time. Like, yes, they were I had those back to back because I was in conditions that were amazing, right? But what happens when you're not in conditions that are amazing for you for that to happen, right? You got to understand the nature of it. Now, because of that, I was able to obviously make my long-term system. But my point is that you have to have that consistency and force yourself to be patient when you want to click that trigger, hit a trade, and then just make $1 million. Like, we all want to just keep hitting buy, sell, and just hitting trades like left and right, just making money. But that's just unfortunately not the reality of trading, man. And I wish it was, because I'm a pretty impatient guy too, but I had to rewire my brain so I could get out of those negative, destructive habits that were causing me to lose my accounts when I was coming up, when I was a newbie. And again, what were those things? Catching falling knives, trying to buy the bottom with no system, no edge, no basis. We're trying to sell an all-time high, trying to sell the top, right? And listen, bro, we've had this condition in March. Like, you should very well know when gold is doing this type of behavior, you just stay out of the market for 1 to 2 weeks or wait for some type of 1 hour, 4 hour confirmation. It's that simple. And a lot of you guys might not be trading gold. You guys might be trading other pairs, but like, again, like, it's just these destructive habits are so simple. But as beginner traders, you guys don't understand this. And the ICT community, like everybody else in this industry, they've really polluted your mind and like lied to you, bro, and like kind of made everything so complex than what the markets really are. And I'm here to make it so straightforward for you guys, so simple, and just so raw with you guys, because I've lived through it all. I have made my money trading, surprisingly, and I have gained a lot of wisdom, through my time trading, bro. It's that simple. You feel me? I truly mean this, guys. Stop trying to sell highs, all-time highs. Stop trying to buy falling knives. Stop taking 20 trades a day. Stick to 1 to 2 trades. And if you do not see a setup, I swear to God, bro, walk away, bro. Don't just click that button, click that trigger finger, trying to take a bad setup, because it will 99% of the time lose. Okay? And again, take it from me, blowing prop firm accounts, through my experience, etc. I lost a lot of money doing that, okay? And this is the whole issue I have with prop firms as well, is that like, you can just buy a new prop firm account. Like, it's very easy to blow $500 on a 100K account, $1,000 on a 200K account, just continually doing that and like not realizing it, because, well, it's not real money. Like, obviously, if it was your own money, like, you would never do that thing ever in your life. And honestly, you'll see, if you have your first account and you make a fuck up, dude, I'm telling you, like, don't DCA, don't just try to sell, 10% of your account, 5% of your account at, randomly trying to make that money back. If the trend is against you, or the market is just in a certain direction against you at that moment, like, you might just get completely cooked, bro. Like, you could be trying to just like, sell right here, and it just like intraday, right? It's like a Monday, and market's just going up. You keep trying to sell, you blow your account all the way to the top, and then it finally dumps all the way down, and now you're just like, bro, like, I just blew my whole account. Like, you know what I mean? Like, bro, I'm telling you, it's literally that simple. When you take 1 to 2 losses, walk away, okay? Oh, and another big thing, learn how to analyze your negative habits and your patterns and then improve from those, okay? Like, if you know you're bad at trading Asian session, if you know you're bad at trading London session, why do you keep trading it? If you know you're self-destructive when you take 5 trades a day, when you're just sitting on the computer 24/7 just on the chart, right? Maybe you got to stop, maybe do the opposite. Stop doing that, right? So it's through this way that you continually analyze yourself and you improve and you kind of phase out those negative habits. And then once you phase out those negative habits, unfortunately, the reality is you have to be super patient. You're not going to make money overnight. It's going to take time, but that consistency is what you will see week to week, day to day, and slowly but surely it will add up 100% and you will be profitable at the end of the month. And that's literally all it is. And the prop firms, especially futures firms, will reward you for that immensely. Like, guys, I don't think you understand. Even if you're making 5K a month from prop firms, that is so powerful. That is actually insane if you're making 5K a month. Like, from trading, you guys got to understand, like, being a top 0.1% trader, like, you're making 50K a year, 60K a year, and you're a top 0.1% trader. Like, people don't even understand. It's not this exorbitant, like, oh, 200K, 500K a year, a million a year, whatever. Like, if you're making 50K a year, 45K a year off trading specifically, congratulations, you're a top 0.1% trader. So I hope this video was kind of motivational. Like, I just, had some late night thoughts, and I was in my A-bands, wisdom era type shit, you feel me? So, we had to get that sauce to y'all. But like always, guys, drop a comment. Let me know if, what type of content y'all want to see, if you like the motivational content, if you like the educational content, right, the vlog content, whatever. I'm not really much of like, I could be doing vlogs and like traveling and doing shit like that, but I'm more of like a homebody, right? I'm more kind of like, I like giving you value, like face to face, you feel me? Like actual educational value, because I feel like that's what's actually going to help you instead of just like stupid vlogs and shit like that. But shoot me a follow on Instagram, shoot me a follow on TikTok. We are obviously trying to grow that. But thank you so much for your support so far. And again, guys, please, please, please have that patience, develop it, phase out those negative habits like I just told you. Don't try to sell all-time highs. Don't try to buy falling knives. Don't take 30 trades in a day. Don't risk 4% in a day, 3% in a day. Just be patient, take 1 to 2 trades, risk 1 to 2%, maybe 0.5%, and if you lose, walk away from your computer, shut it off, come back tomorrow, and you will find that consistency over time. All right? Peace.